So first I'm gonna moisturize my face with the Nivea cream. It's very, very effective if you have dry skin. Next I'm just gonna show I have really bad skin breakage, so yeah. I'm gonna use my spoolie and it's gonna comb my brows out. Then I'm gonna use the e.l.f. brow kit to put pomade on my eyebrows. Completely. Then I'm gonna blend it out with my spoolie. I'm gonna use my concealer brush with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm just gonna line under my eyebrows and then I'm gonna do on top of them. For the ombre look, I'm just gonna add some concealer. Then I'm gonna blend it out under on top so it can go in within my skin. Then I'm gonna use my brush. I forgot what it was. My eye on top of my eye. Then I'm gonna blend it out. Then I'm gonna add the color Cool Tan to foundation, make my under eye a little brighter, and I'm gonna blend it out. It's very important that you blend so that everything will be very smooth and it's but you're a little closer so you can see how well I'm blending it in. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline foundation in color Coconut 355 and put that all in my skin, on my face, around my nose, under my chin, on my cheeks, on my neck. Then I'm gonna use, I forgot what the thing is called, but I'm gonna use my powder brush and I'm going to set my face, my chin, my nose, my jawline. I'm going to set both my jawlines and I'm going to make sure my face. Then I'm gonna go with my natural eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use the one that's really close to my skin tone, which is right there. And I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid. Go with a lighter eyeshadow and put it on my eyelid in my crease. Then I'm gonna blend all of that out. Then I did my lashes off camera. I'm going to use my powder brush just to wipe all that powder away off my face. My palette again. I'm going to contour my face, my jawlines. I'm going to contour my under jawline, my face, and then my nose. I'm going to go with my Fit Me face powder, color Coconut. I'm just going to blend all of that in. I'm going to go back in that same palette and highlight my face. I have to adjust my lighting so you can see better. That's my finished look. Thank you for watching.